how to customize your app and widget style on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. And here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on home screen. In here, you can change the app size. So here we can make the app size smaller or larger. So here you can see if I make it smaller, the app size will be smaller. Here I'll make it bigger. Now the size of the app are larger. Okay, so I'll go back to medium. Here I can turn on or turn off app labels. So I can turn off the label down here or the app label, or I can turn it on. So I've got Store, Play Store, Google, Microsoft. Here if I switch it off, then the label will be hidden. Okay, so you can also change the home screen layout as well. So on your home screen, you can choose home screen to show apps on home screen and app screen, or just the home screen only. Here you can change the home screen grid 4:6 or 5:6. So if you choose 5:6, that effectively will make the icons on the home screen to be smaller. So you can see here it will make things a little bit smaller. And tap on done to save the changes. Here you can also change the photo grid 3:4 or 4:4. And that's it. So that is how you can customize your apps icons and widgets. To change the background color of the widget, you can touch and hold on the widget and then tap on settings. In settings, you can choose to turn on or switch off background. So here, this is without a background. Here, I'll go back and turn on the background. For background color, I can choose light or dark or match font settings. You can also adjust the transparency of your of the background and then tap on saved. And that's it. So here, just simply touch and hold on the widget and go into settings to make the adjustment. To resize the widget, you can touch and hold on the widget. Once it is in edit mode, you can drag on the handle to enlarge it or to make it smaller, wider, or shorter. And that's it. Hopefully this video show you how to customize your apps and widgets on the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.